Imagine this, a brand new home, completely surrounded by other homes built in the 1950s. Can you imagine it? Well, you don't have to, because it's right here in front of you. The owner of this home did something really bold when he acquired it. Immediately after buying it, he tore it to the ground, the whole thing, leveled. And then he rebuilt a brand new home in its place. And man, did he do a good job. This home is contemporary on the outside, really clean lines, cool modern front door, and these awesome awnings above me, and the stone accent. Mwah. Then you walk inside and the modern feel continues, except it's got a touch of warmth as well, with these really light floors that look like wood, the touch of wood on the shelving and vent hood, and so much natural light pouring in, lots of open space, and the floor plan is great. You've got one big open space from the front of the home to the back, with great flow from the front entry through the kitchen to the large dining room, and the kitchen is fantastic. Custom white cabinetry, which extends all the way to the high ceilings, and I love how they added a second row of shelves above the standard cabinets for even more storage. You've got these beautiful quartz counters with not one, but two waterfall edges, and the island is over 12 feet long. 12 feet. I mean, that's just crazy. And look at these light fixtures, top notch. And in the back of the home, you have your master suite with two big picture windows. An ensuite bathroom has these really cool floating cabinets, huge shower, separate tub, and the other bedrooms are also good size and both have en-suites as well for added convenience. Outside you've got artificial grass and minimal vegetation, perfect low maintenance yard, and you're located just minutes from one of my favorite hidden gem restaurants in Phoenix, Beckett's Table. So if you want a home that's contemporary and truly a standout in the neighborhood, then I invite you to call me Mike Delino with North & Co, and I'll show you 3501 East Flower Street in Phoenix. I think you're going to dig it.